What is MCP? Caveman want warm cave, but fire hard to make. Every time cavemen need fire, must rub sticks, chase spark, fight wind, too much work. Smart cavemen say, me tired, why not make one big fire, let other cavemen share. So one caveman, the fire keeper, tend big fire in center of village. Other cavemen, MCP clients, bring sticks, get warmth. This MCP server hold fire, which is the context for everyone. Cavemen grub want warm, instead of make own fire. Grub go to firekeeper, say, give warm. Firekeeper say, bring stick, get flame. Grub give stick, the request, get fire, which is the response. This MCP client, no need start fire, just ask firekeeper. If every caveman make own fire, it means a waste of sticks, smoke everywhere, and some cavemen freeze. But with MCP, one fire, which is the shared context, equals all warm, which is efficient. There are different type of cavemen with different needs. Hunting cavemen need quick flame. Sleeping cavemen need long warmth. Crazy cavemen throw too many sticks. They spam requests. Firekeeper, which is our MCP server, manage all, give right fire at right time. Too many cavemen ask for fire. Firekeeper say, wait, too hot. Then, make cavemen line up, which is a request queue. Tell some come back later, which is rate limiting. Or make second fire, scaling up. Some cavemen try steal fire. Hackers. Firekeeper check. You from this tribe? Authentication. Why you need so much fire? Authorization. No, you not take whole fire. Rate limits. Why MCP good? Before MCP, every caveman struggle alone. Waste sticks. Freeze. Chaos. After MCP, one fire, all warm. Save effort. More time hunt mammoths. Remember, this not real caveman advice. If fire burn cave, not my fault.